Big up everybody we're checking. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now the opposition says that they have been forced to expose the government and what really take place with the SSL scandal. Now people, if you agree that Usain Bolt and the other clients must get back their money and that this happened and the government watch, drop a like on the video and drop a comment in the comment section. I'm going to hear from the opposition and what them say really take place. Look and listen.
This is Julian Robinson, spokesman on finance for the People's National Party. I'm here to set the record straight on the SSL scandal and to address the false claims made by JLP Senator Apka Fitz-Henley. The truth is, in 2013, under the PNP administration, we took decisive action to protect Jamaican investors. The FSC issued a directive requiring SSL to suspend critical activities due to breaches of the Securities Act. But in 2017, under the JLP administration, those restrictions were lifted. The FSC discontinued proceedings to suspend SSL's license based on the company's claims of compliance. And what happened next? In 2023, the massive fraud was uncovered, which has devastated hundreds of Jamaicans, thousands actually. So Senator Fitz-Henley's claim that the PNP took no action is a blatant lie. The facts are clear. The PNP actually acted to protect investors, while the JLP's decision to lift restrictions left Jamaicans vulnerable. Today, I'm repeating my call for transparency and accountability in the SSL issue. Has the Crow report, the forensic audit of SSL from 2010 to 2023, been released, even to the court-appointed liquidator? And if so, why not? This report is critical to understanding the full scope of the fraud and the failures in oversight that allowed it to happen. The public has a right to know the truth. The administration must stop hiding behind excuses and release the report without further delay. Jamaica deserves better.
No. Since the government has said that it is political, the opposition is saying that they are making it political. So now that it has reached the political aspect. Because remember, most people just think about it from Usain Bolt's point of view. The government never give him the information or never make him aware of if there is even any ongoing investigations into the company. Remember, at this point in time, I think based on documentation, SSL is no longer a company. SSL does not exist. At this moment in time, the company has been done. It's over. Company is over. Some client still not get back their money. Usain Bolt being one of the most famous of them all. And I think one of the persons who had the most money in the company. Now, it was just being viewed from that point of view. But the government said no. The opposition and the people and Bolt is making it political. Now the opposition point out some things. And now the people start to look at it from the point of view of, well, if this company was doing this for so long, and the Ministry of Finance and their investigative different agencies were looking into SSL, why is it that the company was allowed to continue when they know that they were defrauding Jamaican citizens? Now people start to ask, what were the laws and policies put in place? We hear people on the media talk some more about things even about the building. People are saying, if the investigation was so important, why when we sip on the media say that there was a break-in at SSL, when we see footage of the place, we see the chair, them, the decks, them, the computer, then we see everything there. Now, to be fair, all of them don't need to take up the hard drives. You know what I mean? They don't really need to take up the monitor and the keyboard for search a computer. You know what I mean? You just need the hard drive, truth be told. But some people are saying, you know what I mean? It never look like. And Bolt say, he never receive any information pertaining to the case. He never know what going with the money. Him say him just a year say part-time money never reaching there. Him a wonder now how long the government know. Was the government ever going to tell him this? And now the people might look on it from that point of view. Now, with it being so close to a general election, and this is something we are talking about, people that always say, you have mixed views on it. You have some people where I say, both can't blame the government. And that's because they're probably confused by statements being made. They probably feel like Bolter blame the government for money being taken. But I think that's what Bolter try to do. The government never owned the company. They have to blame who own the company or who take the money. But what Bolt is saying is that information was not passed along to him. He might wonder if they were investigating the case to a certain level. Because he must say the people who involved or who him believe involved with him missing money are high profile people. People who know the who's who on the Jamaican island, if you want to use that term. All of the who's who in a way you want to think about. Whether it be entertainment, finance, business, the who's who, the people them know them. So Bolter say, him believe say, the people them take preference over him. Him never know the amount of people where them people I know. Now the government is saying that them already have somebody in custody. I think that's where the government get it confused. The government believe that Bolt, even though them couldn't give him back his money, the fact that somebody was behind the bars, he would have seen it as justice. What Bolt has said is that he no believe at no point in time this one lady take all our money. The government and maybe people they believe say because Pantan was behind the bars. Both that say alright, he not get back his money, but somebody will face the consequences of said money. But Bolt no believe that. Both no believes that this a woman alone take all her money. And both believes if he can't get back none of her money, then everybody who involved, you know what I mean? I saw him will get justice. I will never hear Bolt talk about that. We never hear Bolt really mention the judicial aspect of what go on about Gene Pantan and court and them thing there. What we mostly hear Bolt talk about is the money and if it a forward back. Which some people have said they no see it happen. Because the payback done go on. The then finance minister is no longer the finance minister. The company no exists. Who fly out, who gone. You know sound like nobody left back to give back Bolt money. I can't Pantan this. Does it look like Pantan has the money? It look like Pantan do the pirate trick. Like Johnny Depp them in a Pirates of the Caribbean and carry the money gone buried somewhere on some island that nobody don't know. And hungry when she get released, she go to the island for the money. So we have to go wait for her to do our sentence and get released for then try find the money them time there. In North America, them do them thing they do, you know. They have some people where deal with these white collar crime, millions get taken, them do a time, them forward out back, and the FBI still watch them until them slip up. And then catch them and find the money. So I mean, if it's a scenario like this where Bolt have to go wait too much years now to even get back another clue to where the money could be. And nobody now want to hear that. You feel like Bolt want to hear that? Tell the truth. You're $1 billion gone, you're $1 billion gone. You feel like that you want to hear? You wouldn't want to hear that. Some people also believe say for this other top people money, they may have to find some money, give them back a long time. I don't know. That's speculation. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel and just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Not the reason I get my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper. And also want to stay tuned.